Fallacious is an adjective used to describe something based on a mistaken belief, error in reasoning, or misleading logic. When something is labeled as fallacious, it means it is deceptive or untrue, often because it relies on faulty reasoning or incorrect assumptions. Fallacious is commonly used in contexts involving arguments, reasoning, and beliefs, where it implies that an idea or statement is incorrect or misleading. Origins of fallacious. Fallacious originates from the Latin fallacia, meaning deception, which itself comes from fallere, meaning to deceive. The term entered English in the 16th century and has retained its connection to error and deceit, often highlighting logical flaws or reasoning that leads one astray. How to use fallacious. Fallacious is often used to critique arguments, ideas, or beliefs that appear logical on the surface but contain underlying errors. For example, a fallacious argument might be persuasive yet based on incorrect logic. The term is frequently applied in discussions of logic, critical thinking, and debate to describe reasoning that doesn't hold up to scrutiny. Example sentences. The politician's argument was fallacious, relying on stereotypes rather than facts. His reasoning was fallacious, as it assumed that correlation equaled causation. Similar words: misleading, giving the wrong idea or impression; erroneous, containing errors or mistakes; deceptive, likely to mislead or give a false impression. In essence, fallacious underscores the importance of sound reasoning and logical accuracy. It reminds us that ideas and beliefs must be critically examined, as things that seem plausible can still be flawed or misleading. Subscribe